This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, Mr. Green, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Right, we're back home and let's take a look at the result. So you see here the Mirai comes quite low, right? It has studless winter tires, but still it's not that fast. You can see here it has only 182 horsepower and weighs actually more than some of the other cars down here. But you see, this is the only hydrogen car here. So yeah, I guess it's a limitation of the fuel cell plus the tiny battery that yeah. So not that fast. Let me see. If you compare against other cars that I consider kind of, yeah, I remember I complained that the MAB cars feel slow, like in the high 8 seconds, and then yeah, so not that fast really, the Mirai. So yeah, and then what about noise? Well, I didn't bother with the braking test, but noise, it comes here. So actually for noise it's pretty good. You see here I split the winter and summer result. So compared to, for example, Ford Mustang or even, what? Huh, really? ES8? Huh? Yeah, I guess so. BMW i4, I-Pace. So yeah, I got the impression that Mirai is well insulated. Maybe because they have Lexus interior, so there's some premium stuff over there. So yeah, now you guys see it. The Mirai, it performs okay in, at least it performs okay in the acceleration department. Still faster than fossil maybe, but then when it comes to noise, that one is pretty good, better than average. So yeah, now you guys know it. Just löp och köp, just run and buy the Mirai. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.